It's Monday, it's lunchtime, going to get coffee. Okie dokie. As I mentioned earlier, it's Monday. Honestly, kind of a lot going on at work today. We showed up this morning and several pieces of equipment weren't working, and so it's just kind of, that seems to be like our lot in life the past couple of weeks, is we just show up and equipment isn't working. I have no idea why it goes that way, but it just has been. But we're breaking away for lunch, even though we're not actually going to get lunch. We're just going to get coffee, which is super fun. So, how you feel, JP? How you feeling on this?
Today.
Are you tired?
I'm tired. For some reason.
Why are you tired? Is it because you're about to have a baby? It's me?
It's you, dude.
It's not me.
It's all you. It's always you.
That sounds like my tire deflating. Yes, it do. You hear that? Is that not what that sounds like? Listen. That is definitely my tire deflating. What in the heck?
Start this.
I guess we're just gonna stand here.
Start this vlog off with a bang, bro.
Oh my god, you've gotta be kidding me. We're gonna have a spare tire.
Today is Monday, and it's appropriate.
It feels like a Monday.
Yeah, today is a Monday.
We're literally standing here watching my tire deflate. Alright. I guess this is what we're doing today. We're changing my tire.
Seems like it.
Okay, so I've put a jack underneath it to keep it from sinking any lower than it already is. Now, I've got to find a better jack, one that will actually pick my vehicle up so I can change the tire. It's way too hot for this. Hello. What are the odds that either of you have a jack for like a car?
I've got one.
You've got one?
Yeah.
I need it.
And gloves too, so you don't have to.
Yay! Thanks, dude.
What a trash jack.
Yeah, it is.
There you go. Fantastic. All yours.
Thanks, dude.
You're welcome. Got a NASCAR jack.
Alrighty, I'm very hot and really frustrated, so I'm not gonna film the rest of this. It's probably just gonna be like a time lapse. So enjoy this time lapse of me changing my tire.
How you feeling, Jared?
It's hot. I'm miserable.
Doing a good job, buddy.
Thanks, dude. I don't know if that's enough. I hope I don't break this. It's so hot. Jesus. You're just filming the whole thing. What just happened? You hear that?
I don't know.
It's not promising.
I'm gonna step away from the vehicle.
Yeah, good call.
Your emergency brake's on, right?
Yes,
Yeah?
it's on. Yeah, it's on.
All right.
Double checking. Okay, so now, dangerous part. I'm gonna have to go home and take a shower. Awesome. That's what it is, apparently. Why does every truck in this city have to be so loud? Alrighty. Flat tire off. Spare tire about to go on.
So what's happening right now?
I'm an idiot and I jacked it up.
Camera's getting rained on.
I jacked it up like an idiot, and
now what's happening?
I'm having to correct my own mistake, and it's raining.
And Mother Nature's rewarding you. Because when it rains,
it pours.
There we go.
Can you say that? Can you say that and look at the camera?
It pours.
Yeah, as it gets harder out here.
Yeah, as it starts just raining harder.
Here it is.
Walk under the awning.
Yeah. Your phone's getting rained on too, bro.
Thanks, dude.
I got it.
You can just stick it in the trunk. Oh, my phone. Oh, my phone. I thought you were talking about the camera. Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
Is that it? Oh, it is. Perfect. I pushed it. It made me. It scared me.
Jared, did you get it?
I don't know. I think so. Stopped raining. That's nice.
A plus. Aubrey?
Hey guys.
The vlog taketh away. Oh, that's funny.
So guys, what this is the result of is Jared saying that, you know, today I'm only going to go get coffee and that's all I have to do.
Yeah.
The Lord shall provide. This is some A quality content.
Got anything to say, Aubrey?
Jared's a fine mechanic and a finer vlogger. And not a very good taco aficionado. I just plugged your other video, you're welcome.
Where?
Your Taco Bell vlog?
Where'd you plug it?
Right there.
Right.
Just now, I pointed, and so now you can pop it up on the screen if YouTube will let you do that.
It will.
If you go
Right
here,
there.
it's in the top right.
Right here.
I think it's the other side.
Yeah.
There.
Or the description below.
It's
down here
these.
somewhere. Covered all the...
Gonna be a couple minutes late. I'm scared. Jesus. That scared me. Okie dokie, that's it for today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you tomorrow at 4.